Welcome to Toon TV Adventure. One hot day, an ant was searching for some water. After walking for some time, she came to a spring. To reach the spring, she had to climb up a braid of grass. While making her way up, she slipped and fell into the water. She could have drowned if a dove up a near tree had not seen her. Seeing that the ant was in trouble, the dove quickly plucked off a leaf and dropped it into the water near the struggling ant. The ant moved towards the leaf and climbed up there. Soon it carried her safely to dry ground. Just at that time, a hunter nearby was set up his gun to shoot the dove. Guessing what was about to do, the ant quickly bit him on the heel. Feeling the pain, the hunter dropped his gun. The dove was quick to fly away to safely. Moral: one good turn deserves another.
हमारे चैनल से जुड़े रहने के लिए लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा और हमारी नई आने वाली वीडियो को हासिल करने के लिए बेल आइकॉन को